All right, hey there, Wade Sellers again, and this is the next video for functions being applied in your Swift UI app. So this time, we're gonna mess around with a function that has a return type, okay? We're gonna return a value. So we're gonna do stuff in a function and return a value. We're gonna make a very, very basic example here. So you can pause the video and make your content view look exactly like this. And just a reminder, I'm in the Swift Playgrounds app. I'm using a Swift UI app. If you're on the iPad, you can also use an app in there. We're just not using Xcode, and we're just not using a basic Playgrounds file because we want the app preview here so that we can see the change happen. All right, so in my content view I have the body and I just have a text view with hello world, and that's what we have right here. We're gonna get this to print out the value of pi, you know, like pi like 3.14. We're gonna have it do that. So let me minimize me. And all we're gonna do is under the body, but inside the content view, we're gonna write our function. We're gonna do func get value. We're not going to have any parameters, but we are going to have a return type, and we do that by doing a dash and our greater than sign, and then the value type for our return value, which is going to be a double, because pi has decimal points, so we're going to use the double value. We're going to open up the curly braces and run code, and all we're really going to do here is just return. We're going to return a value, and it's going to be a double, and we have one right here for pi, okay? The mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14159, okay? So it's going to return a double. So we are returning a double, and this is a double. So let's go ahead and make a variable for a little parking space for this right here. Let's do let value of pi equal, and we're going to run get value. You'll see it auto completes right there. Awesome. So now it's going to run get value, and it's going to return 3.1415, and it's going to set that value to the value of pi constant right here. Now all we have to do is update our text field. So instead of hello world, let's do the value of pi equals string interpolation, and now we're going to use the value of pi constant right here. Value of pi, and you can see it auto completes, and you can see that it's a double. And we should see it update, and there it is. The value of pi is 3.141593, okay? So the function getValue returns a double. We return this double, which is exactly this, 3.141593, right? Up here, we set a little parking spot for it. Let value of pi equal getValue, so it runs the function and returns a double. And then inside of text, we just do a string, the value of pi, and then using string interpolation, we're going to enter a string that is the value of pi right there. And that's it. That's how you use a return value with a function. Okay, in the next video, we're going to put it all together. We're going to use a function with a parameter and a return value in our Swift UI app. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.